Have you ever heard of black seed oil? Watch these video to find out what black seed oil is all about, along with all the wonderful black seed oil benefits out there. Black seed oil is made from the seeds of the black cumin plant. The black cumin plant is native to southwestern Asia, the Mediterranean and Africa. It has been grown for centuries for its aromatic and flavorful seeds that can be used as a spice or as an herbal medicine. Quite possibly, the most promising research has been done connecting black seed oil to multi-drug resistant bacteria. This is a really big deal because these so-called superbugs are becoming a significant public health risk. The key to understanding the health benefits of black seed oils lies in the presence of three key natural phytonutrients: thymoquinone, thymohydroquinone and thymol. These incredible phytochemicals lead to all kinds of amazing black seed oil benefits. Of the many ways that black seed oil benefits the body, the 7 that stick out in the scientific literature tout its ability to help prevent cancer, diabetes, obesity, hair loss, skin disorders and infections like MRSA. 1. Helps fight cancer. Thanks to its potent phytochemicals and antioxidant capabilities, black seed oil has been shown to help naturally treat cancer. Scientists evaluated the anti-tumor activity of thymoquinone and thymohydroquinone using an animal model study, and discovered that these two phytochemicals found in black seed oil resulted in a 52% decrease in tumor cells. In vitro research in recent years also reveals that thymoquinone, the most abundant bioactive component in oil from black seed, helps induce apoptosis, programmed cell death, in leukemia cells, breast cancer cells and brain tumor cells. 2. Promotes liver health. The liver is one of the most important organs in the body. Nearly every toxin gets processed through the liver, and the bile from the liver is the key to digesting fats and keeping your mind and body happy and healthy. For those who have struggled with poor liver function due to medication side effects, alcohol consumption or disease, black seed oil could greatly speed the healing process. In a recent animal model study, scientists discovered that black seed oil benefits the function of the liver and helps prevent both damage and disease. 3. Combats diabetes. Explained in a recent article published by the Journal of Endocrinology and Metabolism. Researchers from the Indian Council of Medical Research highlight that black seed oil causes gradual partial regeneration of pancreatic beta cells, increases the lowered serum insulin concentrations and decreases the elevated serum glucose. 4. Aids weight loss. Black seed oil weight loss claims actually do have some science behind them. The Journal of Diabetes and Metabolic Disorders published a study systemically reviewing the literature for plants that have anti-obesity properties and discovered that oil from black cumin seed oil was among the most effective natural remedies on the planet. 5. Treats infections. Of all the superbugs that this powerful oil can kill, methicillin-resistant Staphylococcus aureus (MRSA) is one of the most important. MRSA plagues hospitals and nursing homes across the globe because ordinary staph infections are becoming resistant to generic antibiotics. Thankfully, one of the strongest black seed oil benefits may help. Scientists took several strains of MRSA and discovered that each one was sensitive to black cumin, proving that black seed oil can help slow down or stop MRSA from spreading out of control. Compounds in black seed oil have antifungal properties. 6. Balances cholesterol. Did you know that there may even been black seed oil health benefits for cholesterol? It's true. A study using an animal model published in 2017 found that an aqueous extract of black cumin not only had anti-diabetic effects on animal subjects, but also helped with cholesterol. After 6 weeks of giving the diabetic animal subjects low doses of black seed, total cholesterol, bad cholesterol and glucose levels all came down while good cholesterol increased. Overall, it appears that black seed may help lower cholesterol as well as blood sugar and blood pressure. 7. Protects skin. In a study conducted by researchers, black cumin was found as effective as the skin cream betamethasone in improving quality of life and decreasing severity of hand eczema. As long as you don't have an allergic reaction to black seed oil, it does not come with a laundry list of terrifying side effects like conventional creams. Try it and share your experience with us. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up. And share with your friends. For more tips and recipes, subscribe to the channel.